Hi guys, welcome home. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here,
Are you new here?
Are you new here? Anyway, if you're new here, please do subscribe and become part of us. Anyway, as you guys can see by the title, today I'm gonna be eating KFC for 24 hours. Alhamdulillah, I don't have plans to change because I'm very busy and it really takes some time for me to pick up the camera. Please excuse my beautiful pimple, but yeah, it takes some time for me to actually get this and make a video. But yeah, I hope I managed to make the video. But yeah, I have class like at 8 and time is currently 7:20. So I don't know if I'll manage to eat breakfast or get something for breakfast, but I don't usually eat breakfast, so yeah, that's okay. Yeah, as you guys can see, I managed to get the KFC. Yeah, I don't think I'll eat it right now. I think I'll eat when I get home, but I just got like fries. Let me show you guys, like fries and danked wings, of course. Hey guys, that's like the first meal. Yeah, I'm quite sick. I have a flu, in case you didn't notice. And please excuse my pimples. Yeah, that's the first meal. That's the first meal I'm actually having, because I rarely eat breakfast, and like that's okay. Who even eats breakfast? I only eat breakfast when I have time or when I'm really hungry like that. But otherwise, yeah, that's for brunch or whatever you want to go eat. Again, yeah, I'll get back to you guys at supper or maybe when I'm eating or something, I don't know. But yeah, guys, I'm really suffering with this pimples. Anyway, yeah, so here's the sauce. I think I'm going to eat off camera because I'm very hungry because I didn't have breakfast, so I might look too savage, and when I look like a savage, you won't subscribe. So just for everyone's sanity, I'll eat this off camera. Yeah. If I eat off camera, you guys are not going to believe me. So yeah. So it's currently later in the day. Yeah, this sun is about to set. It's almost, oh, it's actually 17 now, 17 something. Yeah, so I'm going to get supper now before it becomes dark. And yeah, I'm hungry, guys. Like, don't try this at home, don't try this at school, don't try this anywhere. Like, I'm so hungry right now because that's literally the only meal I've had today. Yeah, so yeah, see you guys when I get there, guys. So the sun is currently setting. The time is currently 17:38, and yeah, I'm super hungry, very hungry. Don't try it at home, at school, or anywhere. Like, I haven't eaten anything ever since bed, guys. Like, I haven't eaten anything. So yeah, I'm very hungry, and currently on my way to the mall and all that stuff to get the last meal of the day. Yeah, see you then. so I got the KFC, and you know what, I was supposed to record at the drive-thru, but like they were really tripping. They both said we don't allow filming. As you guys can see. Then I also got like a little burger. Yeah, just a crunch or something like that. So I hope I get food. If I don't get food, I'm sleeping. Cause I'm on a budget. Anyway, yeah. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm eating my supper now. I come home a bit late. And lighting so bad. I look like, I don't know. But yeah. Fries. And the burger. Yeah. Still getting stained because I came late. But yeah, here's the burger. Yo. So yeah, I'm gonna be eating that. And yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I'm done eating my supper. So you guys, I need to change my hair. Anyway, I'm done eating now. I'm full. I'm so full right now. So yeah. I'm going to now do my things and all that stuff. So yeah, you guys, if you watch this video to the end, thank you so much. And as you guys can see, there's effort in this video. So if you care enough, please make sure you leave a like. Yeah, and if you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you do. You'll find all those links in the description box down below. Make sure you guys check that out also. And yeah, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that, and bye.